Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain NCERT textbook in 5.7 5 marks questions. Very important. Now explain. Okay, now explain. Before 5.7 examples, very important 5 marks. Okay, y value given, then show that y2 minus 5y1 plus 6y, where y2 is double derivative, y1 is dy by dx. First we have to find differentiation with respect to x on both sides. The differentiation of y, we get y1, 3 constant, differentiation of e to the power 2x. Okay, e to the power 2x into differentiation of 2x, it will be 2 constant, differentiation of e to the power 3x. Okay, it will be e to the power 3x. Okay, differentiation of 3x, this would be 3. Okay, again differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Differentiation of y1, we get y2, 3 to the 6 constant, differentiation of e to the power 2x. Okay, this would be e to the power 2x into differentiation of 2x is 2. So 2 3 is 6 constant, differentiation of e to the power 3x. Okay, this would be e to the power 3x into differentiation of 3x, we have 3. Okay, this is going to be 12 e to the power 2x, 18 e to the power 3x. So what is this? y2. So let us take left hand side of the statement. What is the left hand side of the statement? y2 minus 5y1 plus 6y. y2 we got 12 e to the power 2x plus 18 e to the power 3x minus 5 times of y1. What is y1? y1 value, we got 3 to the 6 e to the power 2x, 2 3 is 6 e to the power 3x. Okay, plus 6 times of y. Y is from statement y value, right? E to the 3 e to the power 2x plus 2 e to the power 3x. Okay, now it will going to be 12 e to the power 2x plus 18 e to the power 3x. Okay, this minus 5 multiplied to all, minus 30 e to the power 2x minus 30 e to the power 3x. Okay, plus 6 multiplied to all, 18 e to the power 2x plus 12 e to the power 3x. So 12 e to the power 2x, 12 e to the power 3x, 18 e to the power 3x is 30 e to the power 3x. This 30 e to the power 3x get cancelled. 12 e to the power 2x plus 18 e to the power 2x, 30 e to the power 2x minus 30 e to the power 2x get cancelled. So answer will be 0. What is the answer? 0. Okay, hence proved. Let us go to the next problem. This is example 41 for 5 marks, most important. So y value given sin inverse x, then show that 1 minus x square into y2 minus xy1 equals 0. So what is given? Y is equal to sin inverse x. Okay, now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. The differentiation of y, we get y1. Differentiation of sin inverse x, we have 1 by root 1 minus x square. Okay, so let us do cross product. y1 into root 1 minus x square equal to 1. Okay, now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So it will going to be y1 square into 1 minus x square is equal to 1 square is 1. Okay, now applying differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Okay, d by dx of y1 square into 1 minus x square equal to differentiation of 1, it will be 0, constant. So by using UV formula. So different d by dx of y1 square into 1 minus x square equal to 0. So by using UV, we have u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Okay, where u place in right, y1 square into d by dx of 1 minus x square plus 1 minus x square into d by dx of right y1 square equal to 0. y1 square into, okay, differentiation of 1, 0, differentiation of minus x square, we get minus 2x. 1 minus x square into differentiation of y1 square. Differentiation of y1 square is 2y1, but y1 differentiation is right y2. So 2y1 into y2. It will going to be 0. Okay, minus this is 2x y1 square plus 1 minus x square into 2y y1 y2 2y1 y2 equals 0. Okay, in this 2y1 take out common, 2y1. Okay, 2y1 take out common. First write positive value 1 minus x square into y2 minus xy1. It will going to be 0. Okay, 2y1 not equal 0. Since 2y1 not equal 0, okay, remaining part will be must be 0. 1 minus x square into y2 minus xy1 equals 0. So hence proved. So 1 minus x square into y2 minus xy1 equals 0. So 1 minus x square into y2 minus xy1 equals 0. Okay. Okay, now explain in 5.7 5 marks questions. So 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 5 questions most important for 5 marks. So now explain first 13th question. So y value given, then show that x square y2 plus xy1 plus y equal to 0. Okay. So what is given? So y is equal to 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. First we have to find dy by dx. Okay, now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Differentiation of y, we get y1, 3 constant. Differentiation of cos log x. Differentiation of cos log x is minus sin log x. Into differentiation of log x, we get 1 by x. Okay, by using chain rule. So 4 constant. Differentiation of sin log x. Differentiation of sin is cos log x. Into differentiation of log x, we get 1 by x. So y1 is equal to, in this 1 by x take out common. So remaining value right minus 3 sin log x plus 4 cos log x. Okay. Let us do cross product xy1. xy1 equal to minus 3 sin log x plus 4 cos log x. Again differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Okay. So this is d by dx of right xy1 equal to minus 3 constant. Differentiation of sin log x, we get cos log x into, so differentiation of log x, we have 1 by x. 4 into differentiation of cos log x, we have minus sin log x. Into differentiation of log x, we get 1 by x. Okay. So by using UV formula on left side, so xy1, x into differentiation of y1 is y2, u into differentiation of v plus v into differentiation of u. y1 into differentiation of x, this, it will be 1. In this minus 1 by x take out common, 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. Okay, 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. So let us take statement is equation 1. From equation 1, 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x, it will going to be y. Okay. So xy2 plus y1 equal to minus 1 by x into xy2. xy2 plus y1 equal to minus 1 by x into this place in, we should write y. Okay. So let us do cross product x into x square y2 plus xy1 equal to minus y. This minus y bring the left side. X square y2 plus xy1 plus y equal 0. Hence proved. So what is the answer? X square y2 plus xy1 plus y equal to 0. Okay. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 5.7, 14th question, most important for 5 marks. So y value given, then show that y2 minus of m plus n into y1 plus mny equal to 0. Okay. First we have to find y1 and y2. So what is y given? Y is equal to a e to the power mx plus b e to the power nx. Okay, now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Differentiation of y, we get y1, a constant. Differentiation of e to the power mx. E to the power mx into differentiation of mx is into m because x derivative 1. B constant. Differentiation of e to the power nx. Differentiation of e to the power nx is e to the power nx, but differentiation of nx right into n. Okay, again differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of y1, we get y2, am constant. Differentiation of e to the power mx, it will be e to the power mx into m. Okay, so bn constant. Differentiation of e to the power nx is e to the power nx into n. Okay, let us take left side of the given statement. Y2 minus of m plus n into y plus mny. Okay, now y2, y1 values are we got. Y2 right, y2 value a m square, a m into m square, a m square e to the power mx plus b n square e to the power nx. This is y2 value minus of m plus n into y1. Y1 value we got am e to the power mx plus bn e to the power nx plus mn into y, where y is, what is given statement? A e to the power mx plus b e to the power nx. This is the given statement, y value. Okay, so let us do simplify. A m square e to the power mx, b n square e to the power nx minus, this is minus m minus n. So minus m multiply to all. So minus m multiply with first term minus a m square e to the power mx minus m multiply with second term minus b n m e to the power nx. Okay, next minus n, this minus n multiply to all, minus n into first term minus a n m e to the power mx minus n multiply with second term minus b n square e to the power mx. Okay, plus mn multiply to all, mn into a e to the power mx b n m e to the power nx. In this a m square e to the power mx, a m square e to the power mx get cancelled, b n square term get cancelled, a n m this get cancelled, b n m get cancelled. So answer is 0, hence proved. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 5.7, question number 15. This is also very important for 5 marks. Okay, so what is given? Y is equal to 500 e to the power 7x plus 600 e to the power minus 7x given. Okay, first we have to find y2, y1 and y2. So now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So what is our target? Y2 is equal to 49y. Okay, differentiation of y, we get y1, 500 constant. Differentiation of e to the power 7x, e to the power 7x into differentiation of 7x, we get 7 constant, differentiation x will be 1, 600 into e to the power minus 7x derivative minus e to the power minus 7x into differentiation of minus 7x. So differentiation of minus 7x is minus 7 constant, differentiation x is 1. Okay, this is minus 7. Okay, again differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Differentiation of y1, we get y2. So 500 into 7. Differentiation of e to the power 7x. Okay, it will going to be e to the power 7x into 7. 600 into minus 7 constant. differentiation of e to the power minus 7x. This derivative e to the power minus 7x into again minus 7x derivative minus 7. Okay. In this 7 7 is 49 minus 7 7 minus 7 into minus 7 49. 49 take out common. So remaining value 500 e power 7x plus 600 e to the power minus 7x. Okay. This is y2. So y2 is equal to 49 times of 500 e to the power 7x plus 600 e to the power minus 7x. This is from statement this value y. So from equation 1, okay, this is equation 1. 500 e to the power 7x plus 600 e to the power minus 7x. This place in we should write y. Okay, 49 y2 equal to 49y hence proved. Okay, let us go to the next problem. This is from 5.7, question number 16 for 5 marks, most important. Okay, e to the power y into x plus 1 equal to 1 given. Then show that d square y by dx square is nothing but y2. y2 is equal to y1 whole square. That is y2 is equal to y1 whole square. Okay, first we have to find the derivative of y with respect to x. So e to the power y into x plus 1 is equal to 1 given. Okay, x plus 1, from this equation x plus 1 equal to e to the power y, bring the right side, 1 by e to the power y is nothing but e to the power minus y. Okay, so now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Differentiation of x 1, differentiation of 1 0 equal to d by dx of e to the power minus y. So 1 is equal to differentiation of e to the power minus y, it will be e to the power minus y, but differentiation of minus y with respect to x, minus dy by dx. This is very, very important. Differentiation of e to the power minus y, write as it is e to the power minus y, but differentiation of minus y with respect to x, okay, this it will be minus dy by dx. So minus constant differentiation of y with respect to x into dy by dx. Okay, e to the power minus y, bring the left side, 1 by e to the power minus y is equal to minus dy by dx. 1 by e to the power minus y is nothing but e to the power plus y. Okay, so 1 by 2 inverse, 1 by 2 inverse is nothing but 2. 1 by e to the power minus y is nothing but e to the power y is equal to minus dy by dx. So let us take equation 1. Okay, minus dy by dx is equal to e to the power y. Okay, we got it. Again differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So minus d by dx of dy by dx. So differentiation of dy by dx equal to d by dx of e to the power y. So minus, so d by dx of y1 is nothing but y2. So y2 is d square y by dx square equal to differentiation of e to the power y. Differentiation of e to the power y, we get e to the power y, but y differentiation with respect to x into dy by dx. E to the power y into dy by dx. Okay, so minus d square y by dx square equal to e to the power y into, so e to the power y value, e to the power y value from equation 1, this value minus dy by dx. So e to the power y value minus dy by dx into dy by dx, since from equation 1. So e to the power y value we have got minus dy by dx. Okay, e to the power y place in right minus dy by dx, both side minus get cancelled. So d square y by dx square equal to, so dy by dx into dy by dx, dy by dx whole square. So hence proved. So d square y by dx square equal to dy by dx whole square. Okay. Let us go to the next problem. So this is from 5.7, 17 question, most important for 5 marks. So y value given, then show that 1 plus x square whole square into y2 plus 2xy1 into 1 plus x square equal to 2. Okay. So what is given? The y value given tan inverse x whole square. Okay. Now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So our target y1 and y2. Okay. y1 is nothing but dy by dx. The differentiation of y, we get y1. Differentiation of, okay, right, first dy by dx of tan inverse x whole square. So differentiation of tan inverse x whole square is 2 tan inverse x. By using differentiation of x to the power n into x to the power n minus 1. So 2 into tan inverse x power 2 minus 1 into differentiation of tan inverse x into differentiation of tan inverse x. Okay. So 2 times of tan inverse x. Differentiation of tan inverse x, we have formula 1 by 1 plus x square. D by dx of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay. So differentiation of tan inverse x value 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay. y1 is equal to 2 tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square. So let us do cross product. y1 into 1 plus x square is equal to 2 tan inverse x. Okay. Now differentiation on both sides with respect to x. Again. So by using UV formula, d by dx of y1 into 1 plus x square is equal to 2 constant, right, d by dx of tan inverse x. So d by dx of y1 into 1 plus x square equal to 2 times of derivative of tan inverse x. So by using UV formula. So what is the UV formula? U into differentiation of v plus v into differentiation of u. So y1 into differentiation of 1 plus x square u into differentiation of v plus volta v into 1 plus x square into d by dx of y1. Okay. So 2 times of equal to 2 times of derivative of tan inverse x. We have formula 1 by 1 plus x square. Now this is going to be y1 into differentiation of 1 0, differentiation of x square, it will be 2x plus 1 plus x square into differentiation of y1, we get y2 equal to 2 by 1 plus x square. Okay, let us do cross product. 1 plus x square into right first term, 2xy1 into 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square whole square into y2 equal to 2. Okay, this is answer. So 1 plus x square whole square into y2 plus 2xy1 into 1 plus x square equal to 2. Hence proved. Okay, moving on, next question. So this is from, this is exercise 192 page number, question number 23. Okay, this is most important for 5 marks. So y is equal to e to the power a cos inverse x. Then show that 1 minus x square into y2 minus xy1 equal to a square y. Okay. So now differentiation, what is given? So y is equal to e to the power a cos inverse x. Okay. So now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of y, we get y1. So differentiation of, so write d by dx of e to the power a cos inverse x. Differentiation of e to the power a cos inverse x, it will be e to the power a cos inverse x into, okay, differentiation of a cos inverse x by using chain rule into d by dx of a cos inverse x. We have differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x. Differentiation of e to the power a cos inverse x, This differentiation is e to the power a cos inverse x into d by dx of a cos inverse x. So y1 is equal to e to the power a cos inverse x. From statement this value y. Okay, this value y into, in this a constant, differentiation of cos inverse x, we have minus 1 by root under 1 minus x square. A constant minus 1 by root under 1 minus x square. So let us do cross product. Y1 into root 1 minus x square is equal to minus ay. Okay, easy method is now squaring on both sides. So this, it will be y1 square into 1 root get cancelled, 1 minus x square is equal to a square y square. Okay. Okay, we have got this value. Now differentiation on both sides with respect to x. Differentiation both sides with respect to x. So by using UV method, d by dx of y1 square into 1 minus x square equal to a square constant differentiation of y square. Okay. So what is the UV formula? U into differentiation of v plus v into differentiation of u. So y1 square into differentiation of 1 minus x square plus 1 minus x square in differentiation of y1 square. Okay, a square constant. So differentiation of y square, it will be 2y, but y differentiation y1. Differentiation of y square is 2y, but y differentiation is y1 by using chain rule. Okay, it will be y1 square into differentiation of 1 0, differentiation of minus x square is minus 2x, 1 minus x square into differentiation of y1 square 2y1, but y1 differentiation with respect to x, y1 is dy by dx. So differentiation of y1 with respect to x is, we get y2 equal to a square into 2y into y1. Okay, on left side 2y1 take out common. Okay, it will going to be 2y1 into minus xy1 plus 1 minus x square into y2. Okay, it will going to be a square into 2y y1. So both sides 2y1 get cancelled. 2y1. So okay. So what is remaining? 1 minus x square into right positive value minus xy1. It will going to be a square y. Hence proved. So 1 minus x square into y2 minus xy1 equal to a square y. This is answer. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on next class.